Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some lemmas based on subspace topology. So first lemma is, let Y with topology tau Y, this be a subspace of the topological space X tau, and let Y be any point in Y, and A is any subset of Y. Then we are to prove that A is tau Y neighborhood of the point Y if and only if this A can be written as W intersection Y, where W is some tau neighborhood of Y. It means if we are to find a neighborhood in tau Y topology, then we can take the intersection of a tau neighborhood with Y. So in order to prove this, first of all, let us take this A is tau Y neighborhood of the point Y. Now because this A is tau Y neighborhood, so by definition of neighborhood, there will exist a member from the topology tau Y. That member we have taken as H, such that Y belongs to the existing member H that is contained in A. Now because this Y belongs to the relative topology tau Y, so by definition the members of tau Y of the form of intersection of Y with a member of tau, so by definition H can be written as G intersection Y. Here G is some member of tau. Now let us take W with the union of G with A. Now G belongs to the topology tau and also Y belongs to G, and from here we can see that G is contained in W. So finally we have Y belongs to G is contained in W, and because G belongs to tau, so by definition we can say that W is tau neighborhood of Y. Now let us find W intersection Y. Now by definition W is G union A, its intersection with Y. Now using the distributive property in sets, this will become G intersection Y union A intersection Y. Now because A is a subset of Y, so A intersection Y, that is A, so this will become A, and G intersection Y, that is H, so this will become H union A. Now because H is contained in A, so H union A, that is A. So we have proved W intersection Y is equal to A. Thus this proves the first part. Now let us do the converse part. Now conversely, it is given that A is equal to W intersection Y, where W is some tau neighborhood of the point Y, and we are to prove that this A is the neighborhood of the point Y in tau Y topology. Now because W is tau neighborhood of the point Y, so by definition of neighborhoods there exists a member G from tau such that Y belongs to G, G is contained in W. From here we can say that because G is contained in W, therefore G intersection Y is contained in W intersection Y. Now W intersection Y, that is A, so we get Y belongs to G intersection Y is contained in A. Now let us denote G intersection Y as H. So from here we get Y belongs to H is contained in A, and H belongs to tau Y. By definition of relative topology, the intersection of y is a member of tau that belongs to tau y. Therefore, H belongs to tau y. So by definition, we have obtained a member from the topology tau y such that y belongs to that member H, and that is contained in A. And by definition, A is tau y neighborhood of the point y. So this completes the proof of the first lemma. Now next lemma is, if we have a topological space X tau and y with relative topology tau y be its subspace, and y is any point of y, beta y, this is the base for tau neighborhood system of the point y, then we are to prove that the collection beta star y formed by the intersections of y with the members of beta y, that forms a base for tau y neighborhood system of the point y. It means if we are to form a base for tau y neighborhood system, then we can take the intersection of y with the members of base for tau neighborhood system of the point y. So in order to prove this, first of all, let us take B is tau y neighborhood of the point y. Now by above lemma, tau y neighborhoods are of the form tau neighborhoods intersection y. So we have taken W as a tau neighborhood of the point y. So B can be written as W intersection y. Here W is tau neighborhood of the point y. Now because beta y is base for tau neighborhood system of the point y, so we can use the definition of base. By definition of base, there exists a member from the base such that that member is contained in the given neighborhood. So A is contained in W. From here, A intersection y is contained in W intersection y. So we have obtained A intersection y is contained in B. And also by this definition, A intersection y belongs to beta star y. Thus we can see that beta star y, that is a base for tau y neighborhood system of the point y. Now there is one more lemma. Let X tau be a topological space and y with the relative topology tau y be the subspace of X tau, and let K is a subset of y. Then K is tau y closed if and only if K is the intersection of y with some tau closed set A. So first of all, let us take K is tau y closed. By definition of closed, a set is closed if its complement is open. So we can say that the complement of K is open in this topology. In this topology, the complement of K, that is y minus K. So y minus K is open with respect to the topology tau y. It means y minus K is a member of tau y. So by definition of relative topology, y minus K is of the form G intersection y, where G is a member of the topology tau. Now we claim that K is the intersection of y with the complement of G. In order to prove this, first of all, we show that K is contained in the intersection of y with complement of G. So let us take an arbitrary element from K. Let us take y belongs to K. Now because y belongs to K, it means y doesn't belong to the complement of K. Y doesn't belong to y minus K. Y minus K is G intersection y. so y doesn't belong to G intersection y. Now because y already belongs to y, it means if y doesn't belong to this intersection, it means y doesn't belong to G. Now y doesn't belong to G, it means y belongs to the complement of G. The complement of G is x minus G. Now because y belongs to y also, y belongs to complement of G also, so y belongs to their intersection. So this proves that K is contained in x minus G intersection y. Now to prove its converse, let us take an element from this set and we prove that that element belongs to K. So let us take y belongs to the intersection of y with complement of G. Now because y belongs to intersection, so by definition y belongs to the complement of G and also y belongs to y. Now because y belongs to x minus G, so it means y doesn't belong to G. Now because y doesn't belong to G, so y cannot belong to the intersection of G with y. Now G intersection y, that is y minus K, so y doesn't belong to y minus K. It means y belongs to K. So this proves that x minus G intersection y is contained in K. Combining these two, we get K is equal to x minus G intersection y. Now let us denote x minus G by the set A. Because G is open in the topology tau, so its complement will be tau closed. So A is tau closed set. So we have shown that K can be written as the intersection of y with a tau closed set A. So this proves the first part of the theorem. Now let us do the converse part. Conversely, we are given that K is of the form A intersection y. Here this A is tau closed and we are to prove that K is tau y closed. It means we are to prove that its complement is tau y open. Now the complement of K, that is y minus K. So we are to prove that y minus K is tau y open. By definition, tau y open sets are of the form y intersection tau member x minus A, that is a member of tau here. So we claim that y minus K can be written as x minus A intersection y. So let us take an arbitrary element from y minus K. Now y belongs to the complement of K, so it means y doesn't belong to K. Now y doesn't belong to K, it means y doesn't belong to A intersection y. Now because y already belongs to y, so if y doesn't belong to intersection, it means y doesn't belong to A. It means y belongs to the complement of A. Now y belongs to x minus A and also y belongs to y. So y belongs to their intersection. So y belongs to the intersection of y with the complement of A. So this proves y minus K is contained in the intersection of x minus A with y. Now to prove converse part, let us take an arbitrary element from this set. Let y belongs to x minus A intersection y. By definition, because y belongs to intersection, so y belongs to x minus A as well as y belongs to y. Now because y belongs to complement of A, so it means y doesn't belong to A. Y doesn't belong to A, therefore y doesn't belong to A intersection y. Now A intersection y is K, so it means y doesn't belong to K. So y belongs to y minus K. So we have proved x minus A intersection y is contained in y minus K. So we can combine equation 3 and equation 4 we get x minus a intersection y is equal to y minus k. Now, because A is closed in the topology tau, so its complement will be open. Now the complement of A, that is x minus a, which is denoted by G. So we can say that G is tau open. So we can write y minus k as G intersection y, where G is tau open. So by definition of relative topology, we can say that y minus k belongs to the topology tau y. So this proves that y minus k is tau y open. So its complement k, that will be tau y closed. So these were some lemmas which we will use later in the topic axiom spaces. First axiom space, second axiom space. And tomorrow we will discuss what are first axiom spaces and second axiom spaces.